Let's do the experiment number 9. Write and test a program to update 10 student record into data into Excel file. Let's begin. Here we have code for this. Here we have to import lots of library files using import command. Then we have to write code. Here we have complete code of this program. Okay, let's see how to execute this. Okay, first of all open Eclipse. New Java project. Give project name anything you can give, for example ABC. After that, click on next button here below. You have to import a library file, 8 external jars. Here we have jar file JXL 2.6.12. Let's import this. Now finish it. Here the project creator, here we have reference library file JXL. This is successfully added. Now create the source file that is class. Okay, give class name. See the code, what in code we have the class name. Give the same, because we are going to copy and paste this code. See, this is class name. This we have to copy and paste it here. Okay, now we don't need void main function, so don't take here. Finish it. Okay, now just copy and paste the code from here. This line we already have from here to here. Copy this and paste here. Now after this we have to paste code of this portion. Go to this code file, select the code up to here, delete one closing curly bracket, copy this code and paste it here. Pasted. We do not have any errors showing. Okay, now we have to change the location. We have to set path. Okay, see, we're going to create one Excel file, so we have to specify where we want to save that file. Okay, suppose we'll save this to here. G drive. We have a software testing lab folder. We want to save it here. So copy this location, copy and paste it here. Here, this up to here, student file. We'll write. We'll give the file as a student name or student as only. This will be here. Just give double slash. Okay, and this will be the output right here. And so this portion also is copy and paste it here. Here, okay, I'm sorry. Control B. I pasted. See, this will say, please check the result file under this address. Okay. Now this program is over. Almost save it. Here we are going. Where no errors we have. Let's Run this program. Run Java application. It runs successfully. Please check the result file under this location. Let's check. Yeah, we got one student file created. See, see 10 student records are inserted. This completes the experiment number 9. This completes the experiment number 9. Write and test a program to update 10 student records into table. So thank you for watching. Please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.